What is going on here?
You have entirely distorted Hamura's teachings!
I see you have betrayed me. You've been knitting this for him and not for me.
Hinata, this big idiot finally understands the meaning of the scarf you gave me. And now, as a man, Hinata, I'm going to save you.
The chakra cannons are ready.
Rasen Sasuke!
Naruto, can you sense Hanabi's chakra?
She's in that tower over there!
Take care of Hanabi!
Right.
Hinata! You bastard!
Naruto, where's Hinata?
She went in there!
Sky Sand defensive wall!
It's you.
If he's not here, the only one who can protect the village is me.
The meteorites are gone!
Please, go ahead.
Hinata! Let her go right now!
All right.
He's controlling her. Hang in there for just a little longer.
Hinata belongs to me now. Be gone! Is this the final phase?
Naruto! Now's our chance to destroy the Tenseigan. If we destroy this, the moon should stop its advance. 8 trigrams Twin Lion saving shot! I can't destroy it.
Working together, we might be able to break it apart.